Hey, this is Rob with Go Find a Way. If you've got a Jeep JK and you've got one of these nets, you know how stupid they are. And so I'm going to replace it with this nifty setup from JeCar. And it comes with no instructions for installation, and some people do it wrong, so I'm going to show you the right way. I figured it out. It's pretty cool. So step one is to get the crap out of the net. And then get rid of the net, which is really simple. You just cut it out. Start by pulling the elastic so that you cut in close. And it doesn't really matter how you do it. Eventually, you'll pull it all out, and what's left you can grab with some pliers, and some of it will snap back in. Don't worry too much about this. Just get it done. You'll be left with a little bit of this, and you just pull it and snip it and say, good riddance to the net. So this is going to go here, and it comes with Velcro and sticky tape. And some people don't remove the net, and they just slap this thing up there with the sticky tape and the Velcro. But you see these tabs here? These actually slide in here. So you start it up high and work it in, and once you make sure you've got them all in, then you stick these on. So we're taking these off. We're going to place this in the slots, and then we're going to reach in here and stick the other side of the Velcro to there. This thing can't really go anywhere, and this makes sure it doesn't pop out. So you can see here I applied the Velcro with the sticky tape after I got the pouch all in the slots, and then you just press that. I'll do the same for the other side, and this thing won't be going anywhere. All right, we're all done, and here's all the same stuff that was in the stupid net pouch now in the JeCar. And the main reason I got this, the best part, I drink my coffee with my left hand, and I get tired of switching it from the center console in my right hand over to my left hand. Now it's right here. And yes, it stays out of the way of my legs when you close the door. Pretty happy. I think we found a solution. So here's what it looks like from the inside, and this comes as a set, so I have one installed on the passenger side also. This is made by JeCar, J-E-C-A-R. It's called a door storage bag for a Jeep JK, and I found it on Amazon for about $45. This is Rob with Go Find a Way.